Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another exciting tutorial with UXMate. Today we're going to learn this another cool tool which will help us to create the UI UX designs from scratch using generative AI. You can do all the fancy stuff, create the designs, create the prototypes and get the code, everything in a single tool, and it has a really powerful AI engine. So yep, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Well, before that, make sure you have already subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon next to it, because if you're not doing that, then you're going to miss a lot of exciting tutorial. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Visily. I'll put the link in the description below of this video, but you can find it very easily. It is app.visily.ai and you can log in with your Google account or you can log in with your email account. Just log into it and you would be seeing something similar to this what we have here. You can create a blank template, you can start with the templates, you can start with AI, you can import any styles or the designs which you have outside Visily. You can duplicate the board or you can create a new folder to make sure your designs are well organized. I'm using a free version of this tool, but it has a paid version as well where you can get more features like more AI credits, more version history in sense of number of days, and you also get more artboards which you can edit in your paid plan. In free plan you can start with 2 recently created boards which you can edit. You can create more boards, but you can edit up to 2 recent boards which you have created in Visily, and that is fair enough if you are just starting as an individual designer, or you are something doing it for educational purpose, or you want to learn something new. And if you're earning, definitely you can just go for a paid subscription of this tool, because this is really powerful and the AI engine is awesome. So interface is pretty simple, pretty cool. There's nothing fancy to learn about it. So I'll just quickly go to the first artboard which I have created. I also have a paid subscription of the tool, but I'm using the free version here again just for your information. And meanwhile, I hope you already subscribe to the channel. If not, then do it right now, and also let me know in the comments if you've heard about this tool ever or not. And when you log into this tool, you would be seeing something similar to this. Very nice little tutorials. You can ask AI at any point of time. You can ask AI to design your things. You can do a manual work as well in wireframe mode. You can quickly create sections, screens, containers, images, all those elements which we need in our day-to-day wireframes real quick, real fast. You can add sticky notes and you can do flow charts and diagrams. You can go to the diagram mode where you have a lot of again predefined or pre-created elements which you can simply drag and drop and create your cool flowcharts just in a matter of minutes. And you can see where I can change the color, the styles, the thickness of the outlines, directions of the arrows, if I want single line, a dashed line, any text, and all those things which we generally need to create any flowchart or any diagram which we generally do in the UX flow or the research phase of our product or of our project. But let me just delete everything, and I'm not here to do all these manual stuff, guys. I'm here to create awesome stuff using generative AI. And I'll just quickly show you what all we have here. We have this nice whiteboard where you can use the draw mode of the Visily, and you can just draw. And the cool part is you can invite collaborators and collaborate real time with multiple users in Visily. But no, I don't want to draw anything right now. I'm just in mood of creating stuff using generative AI. And this is if you have saved any assets or anything, any library components or any design system, you can just reuse them from here. Theme is to define the color palettes which you want to use in your project or in this artboard, and you can modify them everything here from the theme section. And you can define the entire theme, which we generally do in a CSS file or when in case of development. But yeah, and in case of design, we do it in the design system or in our components. So you can do all those things here in the theme section of the application. But I'll quickly go to the wireframes mode and I'll click on this Ask AI button, which will give me a lot of cool options. And this is something from my previous work which I did using the Visily. And we can also take the example of this previous chat, but no, we are doing a tutorial, so we'll be doing everything from scratch. So I'll just go to the version history, or you can just start a new chat from here. I'll start a new chat, and here you can see all your previously created chats, And here you can see a lot of cool options which Visily allow. You can generate design from screenshots, you can generate design from text, you can modify your existing designs, you can generate diagrams from text, generate prototypes from selection where you can select multiple artboards and create prototype. And there are more cool stuffs under this explore all button. You can see there are different sections for the wireframes, for the diagrams, for the prototypes, and for the elements. You can generate images and all those things. And here you can see all the credits which you have left so far, and you can see what are the different costs which you need for creating these stuff here. So 30 credits to create a design from the text, 30 credits to create a design from the diagram, and all those things you can explore them yourself as well. Okay, so let's start with generate design from text. And what do I want to do? I want to create a mobile application. And do I need entire app? No, I want a single screen. You can do entire app as well. I'm just doing it to save some credits and I'm doing it for you. So this is the subscribe moment of the video, and don't forget to subscribe right now. Just go down and click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. And if you already done it, then let me know in the comments, guys. You can tell me that I have already subscribed. Okay, no worries. So I'll just give it a simple prompt. Prompt could be anything which you want to be designed. Okay, what we can do, let's okay, hey, I want to design a cool mobile application which allows users to track their daily expenses and bills. Who don't want to manage their fund? Definitely I want. And you can support me with giving me a super thanks in this video. But yeah, I'll give it a simple prompt to start with, and you can enhance the prompt. You can add more details to your prompt. As much detailed your prompt would be, you would be getting more accurate and to the point design. Okay, so let's try with very vague and simple prompt what it does. I have tested it already and it did a fantastic job, and that's why I have created this video, guys. So I'll just let it create the design for us. Something good is happening. Okay, I believe you, I trust you, Visily. And let's wait while it creates the design. And meanwhile, I don't want to keep saying, but yes, subscribe and hit that bell icon. That helps me to grow and to keep on creating such an amazing content for you guys. And if you haven't checked all other videos, you can definitely explore all other videos on the Figma, on the UI UX design, on the multimedia, on the Blender, and a lot of things. Okay, our AI is working harder for this, I know, and almost done. Okay, that is also I know. Let's wait. I still have 440 credits, and that means another video will come soon on this topic. I'll spend all the credits and will create more videos. Okay guys, I'm just bored, but yeah, it is designing and we should respect it. It will take some time and we should wait because it is saving a lot of efforts. Okay, almost there. And yes, it is there. You can just click on the preview button here and you can see it has created a nice app which tracks the expenses of the user. You can see spending overview. We can apply the filter. It has created a graph. I didn't like the quality of the graph, but yeah, it was good. We can edit it further, but nice, decent job here. Okay, and rent, groceries, utilities. Okay, legends are hidden below, but that is fine. And it has created the budget goal and saving progress. So nice features suggested by AI. Okay, manage your bills, and as we have mentioned in the prompt, it has given a nice cool button to manage the bills. You can manage your reminders for the bills and all. Okay, and monthly limit and your spend. Nice widget. Okay, overall very good quality, and you can just add it to the board. And once you add it to the board, you can see all those things are here editable, and you can just select everything and do whatever you want to do with this. Yeah, okay. No, I don't want any tutorials, guys. Okay, once you have created design, you can add it to the board. You can edit the styles. The style is basically the themes which we have talked here. So you can edit the So you can edit the style of the design, and you can ask it to generate again, which will cost 30 credits. And no, I don't want to do that. And if you want to make any changes, it will ask us to pay 10 coins or 10 credits. But okay, this is nice. I'll just show you the other version which I had created. Okay, I'll just go here and I'll just show you guys. This was for a ticket booking application which allows user to book the tickets for the shows happening nearby their location, and it has added a nice search bar where user can search for the plays and venues to start with, and then it has added a nice card which gives them the latest play or the latest show which probably they don't want to miss, and they can just view the details and book the ticket for it. And it has also given the nearby options which user can explore. And the cool thing which I loved about it is I didn't mention anything about the categories or anything. It has added the categories itself, so it takes care of the UX as well. So it has given explore the shows by categories, and this is nice suggestion. And this is nice suggestion or a feature by AI again, and a lot of cool things. You can see all those icons and everything, the color scheme, everything is really nice, awesome, and you can add it to the board. Now my board has two different designs which are generated using two different charts. You can do all other cool stuff like we do in other applications, like you can just inspect the code. So select something and just go to the inspect tab where you can see the okay, let me close this, where you can see the CSS or the code for any selected object. You can explore all other assets which it has, probably images or anything. You can download them, you can copy the code, you can change the settings if you want hex codes or RGBA, and if you want Kelvin variables you can do it that as well from here. Okay, that is cool. You can add the comments and all. You can invite collaborators on this artboard, and other designers from your team or stakeholders can simply come here, join your board, comment here, and together you can create nice, productive, cool design using Visily. So yep, I'm seeing a bright future where AI meets designers. Both of them are really creative and experienced people. So yep, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing, and don't forget to let me know in the comments if you have heard about this app or not. Yep, that's it. Let's catch up later.